Hi, welcome to day 66 of the 100 Days of Purpose Discovery Challenge with Femi. We're still on the benefits of purpose discovery, and today we'll be talking about the number 12 benefit of purpose discovery, which is that purpose preserves your relevance. When you live with purpose, you will never have to fear irrelevance. Let's be honest. Many people are afraid of being forgotten, outdated, or replaced. But here is the truth. A purpose-driven youth never loses relevance. Why? Because purpose is internal. Trends can change, people shift, seasons evolve, but purpose stands strong forever. When you walk in your divine assignment, God makes sure that you stay valuable and impactful in every season of life. You don't age out of purpose, you grow into it because it keeps unfolding as you grow. That's what keeps you relevant, not trying to copy others, but staying connected to what God has assigned you to do. Consider this. A candle may be small, but in the dark, it's the most powerful. In the right context, your value becomes undeniable. In the same way, when you align with God's will, it places you in the exact space where your light is most needed and seen. That is why Jesus said, "You are the light of the world, and a city set on a hill cannot be hidden." Matthew 5 verse 14. When your life is fueled by purpose, you shine. People will be drawn to your light, not because you're flashy or loud, but because you are doing what God created you to do. Look at the biblical Moses. He wasn't the best speaker. He didn't want the spotlight. Yet, because he walked in purpose, God used him mightily. And Moses remained relevant throughout every stage of Israel's journey. When your value is rooted in purpose, no one can face you out. And when your relevance is rooted in obedience, you don't have to promote yourself. Heaven will do it for you. Let's also remember this, that purpose sustains your relevance, not your popularity. People may not always applaud you, but if you are on assignment, God will ensure your voice still matters. You were not born to blend in, you were born to stand out. And your purpose is what keeps your influence fresh, your impact strong, and your life meaningful. So don't chase relevance. Chase purpose. Relevance will follow. Relevance rooted in purpose is lasting. Relevance rooted in popularity fades away. Before I go, I'm offering you a free ebook titled The Value of Knowledge. Kindly do well to download your free copies today using the link on my caption. Also do well to order my new book, Becoming the Right Solution, using the link on the caption, and you'll be glad you did. Thanks for listening, and see you tomorrow. Kindly comment your thoughts and let me know what you think about what you've heard. Bye for now.